Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you why is there a bell next to text message on iPhone. So if you want to check this, just open your messaging app on your iPhone, this message, open it. Then if you check right in front of this message, you notice there is a small bell located right in front of it. There is a small bell. So why is this bell there? Just open the message, then tap on the profile icon, then to take out the profile option. Then when you check, you will notice that there is an hide alert button toggle on this option. So which means that the notification bell that is right in front of the message actually means the alert has been hide for this particular message. So for you to be able to get an alert, you just have to pull out the bell. So for you to be able to turn off the bell, you just come here and hide the alert. Then when you go back and check, then you notice that the bell is completely gone. So that's it. So if you want to add the bell again, just tap on the profile and repeat the process, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.